Hello my people, I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Also now they fine, now do what una take, they help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless una, I appreciate una. My brothers and sisters, maybe some of una don't see this video, maybe some of una never see. I go put the full video more and watch am. These people wanna they see so now people wey vigilante rescue for inside bush where this Fulani Herdsmen with him men wey they kidnap for inside bush. Hey my people, now wow, this one na Edo State oh, na Edo State with this. So all these people, all these vigilante, they do work, great one, and they do. Una know say all these Fulani Herdsmen when they go carry up people, they go carry them go inside bush where people know they, where you know a good dream say you go there. Now then they go they keep them, because with the year if they release some of them, they go they talk say the where they go keep them na inside bush where they know has not the nothing they there. This one where they catch, so they say they say now they go they carry food, come they give people where they keep for inside bush. My brothers and sisters, they say the rest they don't run, but they go still try. Make they still go inside bush again, go find them. All these people, they know the like person drink water, poke off for ground though. Everywhere they hot for that Edo State. Thank God say all these people now they rescue them. See mama, see pikin for hand. They will just catch them. Maybe they just see them for road, they'll just carry them, go inside bush. Maybe now inside car, then they'll just stop the car. Oh yeah, people wait there for inside, they'll just mona just they waka, mona just they go. Carry them go inside bush where you know even think say you go. Hey, now wow my people, I thank God for their life. All these people where they don't rescue. This one are one of the Fulani Herdsmen. The rest they say they run enter inside bush. They go see because one now they don't catch one. They bring and come. They want to go find the rest. Me I put the video more and watch and then more and help me share. God go bless you now my people.
On a standard.
Hey man, that man, be like say that man they carry
This man, there are more people when they carry the water.
This man a bad man with the top here.
No post. We don't snap. They put in the community, we show them. We don't post. We don't post.
This one, I'm not get touch with them. Back to the bush, back to the bush. Let the people there. Come on. Back to the bush.
Where? A bullet here? You have a bullet in the
Hey, don't do that.
What's up?
I beg, let's go in. Let's go in. We'll get part of them.
Yes.
All of them carry blood. All of them. Let's
See, sir, they don't know where they go wrong go now. They don't know where they go follow. No.
They don't see the back again.
No.
The truth I say, bros. Anything I say, you no go believe.
Look at those state security net of this commander Kennedy, me and my men from the sector command. That went into the bush this morning for bush coming with the our division police bar. We went into the bush this morning and we are able to hold one of these kidnappers, and so many of them ran away, and we have been able to free some victims that they were kidnapped. We just came out of the bush now, and all the gallant men that were on ground here right now, they've been there, and we've done a marvelous job today. We thank God for all we did that. Our work for today was not in vain. At least with what we've done today, they will run far away from our territory. Tango Yankee, over and out.
Hello.
Hey.
Since the beating rescue this morning, we are at our police station right now.
And the rest, they are still inside the bush, but we are going to search for those kidnappers. This Edo State, there is no space for them to live in Edo State. There is no space for you people to live in Edo State. Thank you.
You know, is that not better?
Let them there. Go down there.
Oh, no, merci. I'm not a platform now.